Basketball is a fun game. Players use a ball and a hoop to play. They aim to put the ball in the hoop to score points. Basketball hoops are high up, so it is hard to score, but this makes it more fun. Many people enjoy playing basketball because of this. Basketball is a very popular game. People all around the world know about it and love it. Boys and girls, young and old, all play it. Some people play basketball for fun in their free time. They go to parks, schools, or courts to play. They feel happy when they score points. Some people play basketball as a job. They are called basketball players because they work and play to make money. These players are often very good. They train hard every day to become fast, strong, and skilled. They are admired by fans who enjoy watching them play. Basketball is good for health. It helps people stay strong. Running, jumping, and shooting are all part of the game, so players stay fit and active. Another good thing about basketball is that it teaches teamwork. Teamwork is when people work together to reach a goal. A team is a group of people who play together. Each person on the team has a role or job to help the team win the game. Many people do not just play, they watch basketball too. They see games on TV or in big stadiums with family and friends. They cheer when their favorite team scores. Watching games is fun, and cheering makes people feel like part of the action. Basketball is a game for everyone. It's exciting to play, and it's exciting to watch. This is why so many people love it around the world. Basketball started a long time ago. It began in 1891. A man named James Naismith invented it. He was a teacher from Canada. James worked at a school in the United States. His students were young and had a lot of energy. He wanted to create a new game for them. James had an idea. He placed a basket high up on the wall. The goal was to throw a ball into the basket to score points. At first, James used a simple basket, like one used for fruit. He thought it was a good target for the game. This is why it was called basketball. The game had no official rules in the beginning. It was easy to play. Players just tried to throw the ball into the basket. Students liked the new game. It was fun and different from other games. They could play inside, which was nice, especially during winter. At first, they didn't run too much. The game was indoors, so they didn't need a big space to play. This made it simple and fun for everyone. James noticed how happy his students were with the game. Soon, more students wanted to play. The game was becoming a big success. James saw that he needed to make some rules. These rules would help keep the game fair and safe for everyone playing it. Other schools began to hear about basketball. They liked the idea and wanted to try the game too. This helped basketball to grow fast. Because the game was easy to play and fun, many students at other schools wanted to join. Basketball was spreading quickly. More and more people liked this new game. Students and teachers both enjoyed it. Basketball was now becoming popular in many places. When basketball started, there were only a few rules. James Naismith made the first rules to make the game fair and safe for all. The first rules were simple. One rule said players could not run while holding the ball. They had to stop and throw it to move. This rule made the game a bit slower, but kept it safe for players. It stopped people from bumping into each other too hard. Another rule was no pushing or hitting other players. This rule was important to keep everyone safe during the game. At first, there were no teams with set numbers. This meant many people could play at the same time, which sometimes got messy. Later, people decided that each team should have 5 players. With 5 players on each side, the game became easier to follow. There was also a change with the basket. At first, it had a bottom, so the ball stayed inside after scoring, making the game slow. Later, they cut a hole in the bottom of the basket. Now, the ball could go through, so players didn't need to stop to get it out. This small change made the game much faster and more fun to play. Players and fans liked this new way of playing. Over time, the rules helped make the game better. They made sure everyone could play safely and fairly. The rules also made it easier to watch. With clear rules, people wanted to play and watch basketball even more. They saw that the game was safe, fun, and exciting to join in. These early changes helped basketball become a real sport. Many people liked playing by the rules, which helped the game grow big. Basketball spread quickly. It started in one school, but soon many people knew about it and wanted to play the game. Students loved basketball and told others about it. Soon, schools in other places wanted to play the game too. Basketball first became popular in the United States. Schools and small teams started to play games, and many people came to watch. People liked watching the players throw the ball and work as a team. It was fun and exciting to see them try to score points. In 1936, basketball became part of the Olympic Games. The Olympics are famous games where people from all countries come to play. When basketball joined the Olympics, many more people saw it. They watched players from around the world compete in this exciting new game. Basketball was easy to play. You just needed a ball and a hoop. This made it simple for people to start playing in many places. You did not need a lot of money to play. People played in schools, parks, or even at home. This helped basketball grow popular. Over time, teams from different countries began to play each other. This made the game even more fun and exciting to watch. People watched basketball on TV and cheered for their favorite teams. They loved seeing players score and make amazing plays on the court. Basketball grew from one small school to the entire world. Now, people in many countries know and love basketball. It is a game that everyone can enjoy. Basketball has become popular because it is fun to play, easy to start, and exciting to watch. As basketball grew, players wanted to learn new skills. They wanted to get better and play in new ways. This made the game more exciting. One new skill was dribbling. Dribbling is when a player bounces the ball while moving. In early games, players did not dribble much, but dribbling made the game faster and more fun. Now players could move around the court with the ball and control where they went. Players also learned to shoot in better ways. Shooting is when a player throws the ball to score points. At first, shooting was simple. Players just threw the ball up toward the basket. Later, they learned special shots. One new shot was called a jump shot. The jump shot helped players get closer to the basket and score more easily. Players practiced this shot a lot to improve their game. Another skill players learned was dunking. Dunking is when a player jumps high and puts the ball right into the hoop. Dunking is fun to watch and exciting for fans. It shows skill and power, and fans love seeing players make a good dunk. With new skills like dribbling, shooting, and dunking, basketball became even more interesting. These moves made the game more exciting to watch. Today, players still work hard to improve these skills. They practice dribbling fast, shooting well, and dunking to score points for their team. These skills help teams win games and make basketball fun for everyone to watch. Fans enjoy seeing these amazing plays during each game. The new skills have made basketball faster and more fun, and they make players more creative. Basketball is now loved by many fans. Today, basketball is one of the most popular sports in the world. Many people play it, and many people watch it on TV or online. Big teams with famous players compete in games. These players are strong, fast, and skilled. They train every day to play their best. Basketball games are very exciting to watch. Players run, jump, and shoot quickly. Fans love to see their favorite players score and make great plays. Every second counts in a game. The team with the most points wins, so players work hard to score for their team. Basketball also has big events, like the NBA in the United States. The NBA has some of the best players in the world. Many people follow NBA games and teams. They watch games to see top players in action. Other leagues exist in Europe, Asia, and other places. Basketball has also become part of culture. Fans wear basketball clothes, shoes, and hats to look like their favorite players. Kids play basketball in schools, parks, and at home. They look up to players and dream of being like them one day. For many people, basketball is more than a game. It has become a way of life that brings joy, fun, and dreams to players and fans alike. Basketball has changed a lot from the past to now. It started as a simple game in one school, but is now loved worldwide. The rules, skills, and speed of the game have changed, making it more exciting and fun. Today, basketball is not just a game anymore. People play it, watch it, and talk about it everywhere. Basketball brings joy to fans and players and creates fun moments for everyone. Basketball brings people together. Fans cheer for their teams, and they feel happy when their favorite team wins. It connects people. Players work hard and show amazing skills on the court. These moments of teamwork and skill make people feel closer to the game. People of all ages enjoy basketball. Kids, teens, and adults play or watch the game. Basketball is for everyone, young or old. Basketball also helps people stay strong and healthy. Running, jumping, and playing keep players fit, and it's a fun way to exercise. The game teaches teamwork, which helps players work with others and make friends. Many people love basketball for this reason. Basketball is special. It started small, but it grew big. Now it brings joy and friendship to people all around the world.